footage. Alright, so I've been needing to get a backdrop for a while, and I finally went on Amazon and got a backdrop stand and backdrop fabric as well. And I'm finally going to go ahead and put it together now that I got a few of the days of Vlogmas out of the way. If you are not tuned into my channel, I am actively doing Vlogmas. I'm very proud of myself. Just want to put that out there. I've completed 5 days of Vlogmas so far, and honestly I didn't think that I could do it, but I have successfully uploaded 5 videos to my channel. Probably the most videos I've uploaded in, like, the most videos I've ever uploaded, like, within this time frame that I've been on YouTube. Well, no, that's not what I mean. Anyways, forget what I said. Okay, so go ahead and open this up, and we're gonna go ahead and put it all together. I hope this is easy to put together because I'm not the best. All right, let's figure this out. Not much of an instructions person, as we know. Okay, put the strap of the sandbag into the tripod to fix the tripod. Child, this is all the instructions they got. This is it. And I don't understand it. One carrying bag. Fix the tripod. Okay, what in the world am I doing? Is there a video on this? I'm so confused. Sandbag is empty and do not contain sand or other weight. Then what's the point of it? I'm so confused. All right, y'all, we're gonna have to watch a video on how to put this together because your girl is completely lost. Oops. Oops. Maybe this probably goes in here. that's how it's supposed to go, but that's what I'm doing. Now we gotta figure out. Okay, so now that I have the backdrop together, at least I think that it's, I just think that I gotta tighten these or something. I'm gonna take this off. So there's that. This is pretty long. I don't have much space, so whatever. Okay. All right. Sandbag, useless. I don't even know why that came with that. Oops. Okay, now we got the backdrop. Okay. Backdrop. Okay. Made in China. This is a muslin backdrop, 100% polyester, and oh, I gotta put it through the hole. I mean, put it through the bar. Okay. I didn't know that's what we're supposed to do, so. It's a very pretty color. And this is a very long. Backdrop. I'm supposed to put it through. And there's our backdrop. All right, it's perfect. Okay, we did it. I guess these clamps are, I don't know if these clamps are to just keep it tight or something. I don't know. Let me show you what it looks like. All right, so here is a little bit of an up close look at what the back. Here's an up close look at what the backdrop is looking like. I'm not sure the measurements exactly off the top of my head, but I will go ahead and place those in the description box or put them up on the screen right here. Basically, this is from Emart, I believe it is. It was pretty easy to put together once I actually looked at how it was set up on the picture. I'm more of a visual person. Like when I read the instructions, they don't make sense to me. But when I actually look at the picture and then I just kind of like piece it together, that's how I put things together. I'm not so much of a oh, let me read all the instructions and figure out how to put it together. But that's just me. Anyways, this is pretty tall. Let me try to show you all. Turn around. So I am 5'9", and I believe this goes up even more. It goes up even taller. It's adjustable right here. Sorry, my filming skills are terrible right now. It does adjust right here and also down right here as well. So it goes up pretty large, like pretty tall. I would say over at least six feet. So it's a very large, excuse me. It's a very large backdrop. And this backdrop fabric is really good. I actually really like it. It's like a pale pink. I'm not sure if y'all can see that on camera or not. Also, the lighting isn't that great. Nonetheless, the backdrop I got for like, I think maybe 50 bucks. And the backdrop fabric I got for like maybe, maybe 20 bucks. So altogether, it was about $70. And I think it was a really good investment if, you know, small YouTubers, or just YouTubers in general who film sit down videos. Most of these videos are going to be for like hair content or whatever type of videos that I'll be creating. Just wanted to show you all how this is looking. So that's going to be pretty much it for the video. I don't want it to be this long drawn out thing. I am going to be posting more content with this backdrop and with the backdrop fabric. So you'll be seeing this in some of my upcoming videos. I will be probably buying some more fabric so that I can switch things up and have it be a little bit more interesting to look at. If you guys are liking these videos and Vlogmas so far, make sure you go ahead and like and comment on the videos. Share with your friends and family if you would like to. That's going to be it. Like I said, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Take care. Peace.
Lovely weather, boys, sleigh ride together.